What is up, YouTube? Oh my gosh, it has been a while and I have so much to fill you guys up on. What is up? I'm Corey. This is Ronin Motors and welcome. I'll try to fill you guys in. It has been a wild couple of weeks. I've been moving cars left and right and starting builds. But let's go into the shop and I'll kind of fill you guys in on what I've been dealing with. So I actually just got done putting this guy together. And we've got another one. This is actually a GS. So it's kind of like a GSR with all the leather, two-tone leather and stuff with the LS engine. This is a 97 GSR, a full GSR that we're getting ready to put together right now. All VIN matching everything, full GSR swap, all original everything. This actually just needs 2 axles, inner and outer tie rods, a rear motor mount, and kind of just go through and clean up. It's a little faded, a little ugly. It looks like they painted the side skirts cheaply and then they started chipping, but I already kind of did like a test area. You can see actually how shiny that is right there. I cut and buffed it right there. So it looks like, so yeah, see that shine? And see how it just all kind of goes away over there? You see that? That is crazy. So there is still some clear coat there and I can find it. I just gotta get in there. Oh, look at that ricer cluster cover. We're gonna take that out. Still all original interior. Only thing that's not original on it, it has springs, has an AEM intake, and LS mesh wheels, which we actually have some cooler wheels sitting over here. Rhoda GT3s. I know some of you guys probably hate Rhodas, but hey man, it is what it is. We work on a budget here and we get stuff done. We've got still, of course, we've got all of our JDM engines sitting around, but it gets even better. I just got back from Wyoming and check it out. Boxes and boxes. And there is a full GSR swap. The head, the trans, the block, the crank. We got the axles, the header, and just everything you can think of. In fact, I've got another Integra sitting outside. We've got the black one and my Type R at home, at my home collection. And then I've got, I guess I can show it to you. I just drove out to, oh damn, that grabbed on there. I just drove out to Wyoming and grabbed this turd. It's a DB8 GSR 4-door, yucky. But that's actually a shell now. That's all parted out. I can actually see the little 97 Type R lip on that one. But this thing came in boxes. Someone started a rebuild and didn't have the wherewithal or the ability or the drive to finish it. So we drove out to Wyoming this morning. That was a nice little road trip. I'm here in Centerville, Utah. And so it was fun to go out there. On top of that, we've been going through engine blocks left and right. You can actually see there's a B20 head that burned a valve. There's some more B20 heads that have burned a valve. Actually, the one on the left is still good to go. And then we rearranged the shop. I don't know if you guys saw that last, but here is kind of like the new little station, which it's all dirty right now. Forgive me. It's been a wild couple days. But now we also got a little TIG station. We got the AHP TIG 200X. If any of you guys want me to do some welding videos, TIG, stick, or MIG, let me know. Gotta love the Lincoln Viking helmet. That thing is freaking amazing. Check it out. Day 1, day 3, and we've been practicing nonstop since then. These welds were just fusion, learning how to control everything. Here we started to add some filler. It looks terrible. That one actually looks okay. This, terrible. I'm learning slowly. We've got so much more to come. We've been working with Hayden out in Colorado, MTIG, and we're gonna start carrying their line of turbo manifolds to start offering our own turbo setup. So we got some really cool turbo builds planned. I think we've got some all-wheel drive stuff planned. That's right, all-wheel drive Hondas. And as So yeah, I look forward to showing you guys more. I know this isn't a super long video, but I really just wanted to check in with everybody, say hello, show you what we've been up to. This is actually a T3 GSX Garrett. We've got some cool stuff planned. I'm actually in the process of, I'm actually going to tear down some of those bum heads over there to make some displays for our new manifolds that we have coming out. And when I get some stuff ready, maybe I'll do a build video or series on showing you guys how to rebuild the block. We're gonna send that out. At the very least, get it hot tanked, honed, and decked. Still not sure if we're gonna bore it out and if we're gonna go boost or what. Obviously got to get the crank micro polished. We also got to send the head out to get hot tanked, decked, or resurfaced rather, and a 3-angle valve job on that one. The trans definitely needs to be degunked, so I'll probably do a build series or video on that. I've got to finish up this B20 build that I have sitting in there. I'm not sure. I think I'm going to do a high comp 14 to 1 compression E85 ethanol build on that one. We've got other B20s sitting around waiting to be done. We've got some K stuff waiting to get done. JDM B20s waiting to be done. We just knocked that one out. Now let's start on this one. And I got a couple more at home too that we need to get to. I love Integras. I love Hondas. Integras, especially white GSR. This is probably my 15th one. And I probably have 20 Integras all over the place. At the moment, I probably have at least 5 GSRs. I love them. So I'm really, really excited to get this one done. So I look forward to showing you guys it. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if there's something you want to see me do or something you're curious about or you want to just something you like. Can't leave without showing you that. That valve cover needs to come off and get recoated. And in fact, we're actually dealing with an oil leak right here. I wanted to let this thing sit for a couple days to see. And as you can see, right then and there, we gotta finish hunting down this oil leak. Initially, I thought it was coming from the VTEC solenoid, but we might pull that off. We'll probably pull the distributor out, kind of go through everything, clean it all up. Hopefully it's not coming from the head gasket. We'll see, but you can see how clean that swap is, all VIN matching everything. Gotta love all the VINs, still all there. It's worth keeping, it's worth saving. So we're gonna clean it up and then offer it for sale, get it going. Awesome, thank you guys so much. Sorry to kind of run through everything, but I appreciate you guys watching. This is Corey from Ronin Motors signing out. Thanks guys. Oh, this is the sketchiest shit I've ever seen. Dave has this thing up in the air.
System, okay? YouTube.
He says he thinks he has a system.
Learning a system.
His system is trying to maximize free healthcare coverage. Look at this thing. Look at that trailer bending. Holy shit. Oh, it's tipping on this brick super. I think you underestimate what this damn thing weighs.
I underestimate how much you weigh too.
That's true. Got a big heavy piece. Super heavy. Oh my god. Oh yeah, for sure. I gotta get all the way over and hiding in the bathroom while you do this bullshit.
I love how you're not helping, you're just mocking.
I don't want to have anything to do with this.
I hate you.
I don't like this. This is not happening. This is like a 250 gig iPhone. Like this thing will record forever.
All right. You'll lose patience before I will.
Not on this.
Yeah, you will.
This is coverage, footage, footy is what they call it in the UK. I think that's actually what they call football.
Footy?
Footy. Yeah, it's for sure not what they call footage. I like how I was like all of a sudden a UK expert and I've never even been there. Oh, this looks good. Oh my god. For those of you that don't know what this is a Chevy Suburban body with no chassis or engine. Now I'm kind of impressed. Now it's starting to look way more safe. Okay, okay.
See, men don't give up.
I'm back.
Pussies do. Is that allowed on your YouTube channel?
I don't know about all the pussy
Pussies
talk.
hide in the bathroom.
We talk
men,
about.
Men finish the job.
We normally refer to little puppies stay on the porch while big dogs go outside and play.
Exactly what just happened. You all wait.
Little puppies. This big dog already got his work done. You're over here doing the junkyard dogs. All right, well, sorry guys.